situation on our hands here. Water in the classroom. Running out from under the wall. And it had been all the way over here sometime or another because it discolored the terrazzo. Cleaned this up yesterday. Thought it might have been rainwater that got in somehow. No, come back today. It's back. Maintenance. So now that we have the water picked up out of the floor from the leak, let's go see how the leak was found. So, maintenance makes a hole, and it ain't there. Maintenance makes another hole, and the leak ain't there. Maintenance makes another hole, and the leak ain't there. Maintenance makes another hole, and the leak ain't there. So we take out the ceiling tile, they go up in a hole, and the leak is there. So, take it from a custodian. When you go in to clean a classroom, deep clean in the summertime, do we start with floors? Absolutely not. We start at the ceiling and work our way down to the floor. So, when you have a leak in a wall, you might want to start at the ceiling tile and work your way down to the floor. Not start at the floor and work your way up to the ceiling tile. Because you might just have a wall full of hose. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Sometimes this job can be so entertaining. So, what have we learned here? We have learned. Go out there and find some leaks. Call somebody and let them cut some holes in your walls. I say we do this right here. You ever seen the movie Shawshank Redemption? I think I pronounced that right. Don't redo the sheetrock. Take one of these here mounts and put over the hole. It'll be all right. There's only 4 of them. Y'all have a good day. Just a little entertainment from Mr. Jeff.